Hello everybody, my name is Pujit Kumar Barman. My wedding ID is 191352711. Today I will going to presentation to DIU Alumni Web Portal. So here is my background study. And nowadays we can see in April and many educational institute has one personal website for their alumni students. For after seeing this website, I decided I will make one website for our university. Then after hard working, I made for DIU alumni for Temple International University DIU alumni web portal. That is my project objective. My project objectives are making job opportunity for students, finding skilled students, finding unemployment students, finding employment students, making good relation with teachers, alumni, and present students. There is my functional requirement and non-functional requirements of my project. Functional requirements are registration, login, verification, update information, add skills, submit link, create poll, vote, enroll, manage alumni, sending mail, search people. Here is the non-functional requirement of my project. My non-functional requirement is security and usability. And there is I used for making this web application. For front-end, I use Material UI, JavaScript, React and Next.js. For backend, Node.js, Express.js, REST API and MongoDB. For my version control, I used Git and GitHub. And for IDE, implementation for code, I use Visual Studio. And here is my use case for my user. There is two type of users: unregistered users and registered users. And that is my use case of admin. Admin can access login, manage alumni, search alumni, create files, send mail, delete accounts and login. And is the activity diagram of the user. That is admin activity diagram of admin, activity diagram for login, activity diagram for registration, activity diagram for profile, activity diagram for profile update, activity diagram for add skill, activity diagram for social link, activity diagram for create poll, activity diagram for check poll, activity diagram for vote in poll, activity diagram for manage alumni, activity diagram for search alumni, activity diagram for send mail, activity diagram for manage and change password, activity diagram for delete accounts, sequence diagram for authentication, sequence diagram for logout, sequence diagram for admin, sequence diagram for alumni. And there is the year diagram. I use the year diagram. There was admin. By this admin, he can posted all entity. He can access all entity. Here is the admin. Admin has admin ID is the primary key of my project, and alumni has the student ID is my primary key, and the send mail is my foreign key for all entity. Then my screenshot of my project. That is the interface of the authentication, and that is the registration part, and that is the profile part of my web application. And there's update profile, and there's alumni can check poll. Alumni have to fill from the all skills. Alumni have to give the social link, and that is the admin dashboard. That is the manage alumni. That is manage pool list. From there, admin can post for skill people, post for any job notification, and that is the part of the change password section, and that is the delete account. So for my project, I have future plan. In future, I want to making this web application Android and iOS version of my system. Thank you.